Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video we will be learning how to add this subscriber button on your YouTube channel. Once you set up, each time you download or upload video on your YouTube channel, it will add automatically. You don't need to do anything. Once you set up, you set up. I will also show two issues we are facing to add this button. One, anytime you add button, you don't see subscriber here. You see your logo, but you don't see the subscriber option. And second, when you try to add this logo, you will add, it will show add, but anytime you open your video, it will not show here. So let's start with the first, how to add this logo. Then we will be working on the other two options. To add subscriber button on your YouTube channel, first you have to log in to your YouTube channel where you want to add this subscriber button. Then on right hand side, you click on your YouTube channel icon and menu will drop down. Then you will click on Creator Studio, and the left hand side you will see the other menu will drop, and simply over here you just click on channel. Then in the channel there's a third option is called branding. You will click on branding. As you can see, I have a subscriber button already, so first I will remove to show, and I will play any my video, and we will see if there is any brand name or channel name. So as we've seen, there's no subscriber button. Now we will go back on channel, then branding, and we will say add watermark. Then this window will pop up. We will click on browse, and we will choose the logo or picture you want to show on your YouTube video. Simply we will select and open. Then at this window we will save. Then it will ask another option. We will click save again. So now our subscriber button is came in already, and we will be choose on entire video. If you want, you can give certain time limit you want. Then we will simply click on update. It will take a couple seconds and it will save this add subscriber button on our YouTube video. After you update and it's saved, you can go to your YouTube video and check for if this subscriber button added to your YouTube video. Now I played again and I seen there's subscriber button came in. So let's talk about now, and some options you don't see here any subscriber along with your picture or logo. So first, if you are signed in your YouTube channel, you cannot subscribe to yourself. So that's why it doesn't show any subscriber option over here. Or anybody already subscribed to you or your channel, it will not show in color red. So now let's go to the third option. Some option it will not add your subscribe button on branding. So over here we have to keep eye on our image size. In my case, I have approximately 530 to 400, 530 by 400. So that's the picture size. It will just accept. Otherwise, it will show it already add on branding, but it will not accept. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.